So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about penny stocks that we can buy at the current situation and which may give some multi-bagger returns for long term. So first, we'll discuss the basic fundamental details and the future prospects, and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out the best possible levels. So as promised, on regular basis, we are discussing penny stocks followed by stocks for short-term trading. So do like the video. So I'm expecting minimum 300 to 400 likes on this video because on regular basis we are putting so much effort and giving the best results to you all. So I want a maximum reach to the people because many people are watching but they're not clicking that like button. So ultimately that reach to many people would reduce. So do that. We'll continue the series on a regular basis. So today we'll discuss two such stocks, especially penny stocks, which are fundamentally very sound and technically also they are looking very bullish. So do watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we'll be discussing today is going to be Sham Century Ferrous. So this is a very good stock and fundamentally very sound. So if we try to discuss when the company was incorporated, so you can see the company was incorporated in the year 2011, and you can see it is promoted by Mr. Sanjay Agarwal. So he's the promoter of the company. So if we see the various products, so the company is mainly engaged in ferroalloys, that too related to silicon. So you can see it has various facilities in the various parts of the country, especially in the Northeast India, and it has a capacity of more than 14 megawatt. So that is something very huge, and it is also providing access to power at a very low tariffs. So the company also recently it has given the quarter result and the numbers were very good. I'll show you the numbers that the company has provided. So before that, let us try to analyze the basic details. So if you go to the basic details section, if you see the market cap is somewhere around 431 crores. So current price is somewhere around 19.4 rupees. So high is only around 20.4, low is around 4.84. Stock P is somewhere around 8.60. So book value is somewhere around 6.24. So ROCE, that is return on capital employed, is 16.1%, followed by return on equity is 17.2%. So debt is completely negligible, only 0.54 crore is the debt. So debt to equity, if you calculate that, it is completely negligible, and we can say the company is a debt-free company. So if you go to the pros and cons section, so the first thing that is highlighted here is the company has reduced the debt and it is almost debt-free. So debtor days have also improved and it has given a very good profit growth over the last 5 years. So cons are completely negligible. It is related to book value and whatever return on equity. So next, if we try to have a peer comparison in the market, so we know market leaders comparison is also very important. So if we try to compare the metal, minerals and mining sector leaders, so we can see Sham Century in respect to price to earning, you can see it is at a very good range of 8.60, and if we try to compare with respect to return on capital employed, you can see that is around 16.10. so these numbers are also very good. Okay, so next if we go towards the operating profit section, so you can see operating profit was somewhere around 19 crores in the recent quarter. So that is what I was telling. So quarter results were extraordinary if we try to compare that with the previous quarters. So September 2021 it was only 16 crore and here it was 19 crore. So profit before tax was 17 in the last quarter. So this quarter we have seen 20. So gradually it is improving. And net profit was 15 and last quarter it was 12. Steady increment is there, good company, future prospect is also good. So next quickly let's go to technical charts. We'll see the best possible level. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts. So if you see the technical charts of Shyam Century, so clearly you can see weekly chart is very bullish. The stock was in a very good uptrend. So now exactly it is near the resistive zone. So what is that resistive zone? So 20 rupees level is going to be a very strong resistance. So once it breakouts that 20, you can expect the stock would start flying in the upside direction for 30 and 40 rupees level as a target. So these can be the targets. So if you're interested, so do check out the stock and invest in small portions, because currently market situation is also not that stable. So if market retraces, you may have that good opportunity and encash some very good profit. So this is the first stock. So quickly let's go to second stock. Okay, so now we are back onto the second stock. So second stock is going to be Scandent Imaging. So this particular stock is primarily engaged in the business of healthcare services. So if you see the market cap, it is completely a small company. We can say a micro cap company. So it is, the market cap is somewhere around 76.6 crores. So current price is somewhere around 23.8 and stock P is around 16.5, book value around 3.69. So ROCE followed by ROE, you can see return on capital employed is around 46.6% and return on equity is around 60.9%. You can see the numbers are flying in the upside direction because fundamentals of the company are also very sound. And if you go a little bit down, you can see debt is around 3 crores. So debt to equity is also 0.26. That is also slightly less as compared to market cap. And if you see, the company has reduced the debt and it is expected to give a very good quarter result and is maintaining a strong return on equity followed by return on capital employed. So what are the cons? Even though it is reporting that profits, it is not giving that dividend. So next, if we try to compare with the market leaders, so majorly all the healthcare segment leaders are there. So on basis of price to earning, we can see it is around 16.50, a tough competition and very reasonable price to earning ratio. But if you see the return on capital employed, that is highest among all the other companies. So we can say the company is very sound in that financials. So operating profit and all the other stuff, if you see the financials, slow and steady, increasing on quarter basis. So the results, upcoming results are also very positive. Let's see how the stock will react to that. So keep this particular stock in radar. So quickly let's go to technical charts. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts. You can see this is the daily chart of Scandent. So currently it is around 23.85. So next immediate resistances for the stock are somewhere around 25 and 26 rupees level. So if it gives a breakout from there, easily you can expect the stock will move forwards 30 and 35 rupees plus. It is little volatile, but hold it for long term. So all the stocks which we are discussing are wholly for long-term perspective, not for short-term trading. So trade according to your risk, invest in small portions and leave it. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is stocksdiaryyt. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.